morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right. Yeah, audio's on. Uh, all right, so we're going to see if we can find any good trades today. It looks like we are pushing on up to start the day. Mom, good morning. Top of the morning. Hope all is well over there. Oh, and good morning. Good morning. Yeah, but let's see if we find any good trades. I see. Just kind of looking at it, we kind of like surged in volume. We kind of surged up. Let's kind of see what we do here. We might end up selling off because we're a little overbought. I'm probably just going to focus on the SPY for now. Let's see if we got like a good trend, or let's see what we're working with here. Let's try right here. Let's see. Let's move that out a little bit more. All right, so I might just look for a trend line today, see kind of how we do with this. We made a top over here. This could be another top. I might go for potentially a short. This is a 5 minute. Here, let's see. Yeah, I might go light on. Where's my phone? Oh, there we go. I'm like, yeah. All right, Jamie, good morning, bro. On Friday, you mentioned you wanted to get a group of guys together to check in on all. Join the group. It'll be cool to learn from you, bro, whenever you have time to check. All right, hey, good. Hey, good to bring that up. Appreciate you, Jamie. Might have to hop into more ideation on that, like on this stream. Frank, top of the morning. Anil, good morning. I know Anil was also somebody that we discussed that with. Levi, good morning. Good morning. Shout out to the 5 people that came through and like. Y'all be sure to smash the like button as we're coming in too. All right, so I'm like, once again, I'm predominantly watching the SPY right now, just because it does look like we have a lot of movers at the moment. So yeah, just me looking at the SPY seems like the easiest thing to do. But once again, things I'm seeing the volume kind of drop on the SPY. I noticed we're a little overbought on the day. So we very well could continue our way up, but yeah, I'm just trying to see how we do. Sound good, bro. Yeah, we're talking about Asia and Europe. That's where the topic came up. Oh, I got you. Oh yeah. Okay, I remember now. I remember. Okay, so 2 separate things that I was just thinking of, but yeah. Yeah. That would be something else. I would like that though. Anella, good morning. Yeah, that's no, yeah, I like that. I like that. All right, so once again, I'm watching the SPY. Looks like we're consolidating on the Qs, or no, on the IWM, pushing. It's a good day for the Qs too. So the Qs is up 0.76, SPY is up 0.62. Young Mazel Tov, good morning, bro. New sub here. Hey, very welcome. Hey, thanks for coming through. If you have any questions or anything like that, hey, feel free to ask. Like, yeah, don't be shy. Appreciate you like letting yourself be seen and known. I know a lot of people just come through, lurk, and it's like nothing on them as long as they're smashing the like button. But sometimes it takes people a lot to type and say what's up. So yeah, as of right now, we kind of have a continuation. I would say this kind of, 630.50 area is kind of an area of support. So I'm really just trying to see what goes on here. D Scurv, good morning. Let's go. Hey, what was I gonna say? I don't know what I was gonna say. Big Red, top of the morning. Oh, let me put the poll in. I got here like a minute late today, so I was like, yo, let's let me just get it started. All right, so is the stock market going to close red or green today? Red, green, break even. All right, let's start it up. Start it up. The polls there. Get your votes in. Jamie, are you in the Discord? Yeah, let me know if you're in the Discord, cause it's like I feel like that might be the easiest, kind of most chill way to do it, and then we might be able to just talk about like times. Oh, also like bet. Okay, yeah, we might have to discuss a channel. Maybe like drop in like a couple evenings and whatnot. Philip, at the moment I'm watching The Spy. But yeah, might just have to like yeah, Jamie, I might just like have to like drop in on the like here, let me pull up the Discord real quick. Real quick. I think I have some voice channels in here. Let's see. Do we have voice channels? Yeah, we might have to we might have to utilize these and get stuff going over there. MVTS Riot. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Oh, wrong spot. Okay. Dang. You were not kidding, D-Scurv. Yeah, let's zoom on out a little bit. Yeah, Riot, my goodness. Wait, what date is it? I think I had like a random Riot call sitting somewhere. Like, is it? Do I still have that? Nah, it's gone. I guess I don't have it anymore. But yeah, things taking off. What's Bitcoin looking like if Riot's looking like that? Oh, no, it's just lagging. And then in VTS, let's see. Okay, in VTS we might get a pullback on, just kind of where it's at. Let me just mark this up over here. Do we? Yeah, we might be sweeping liquidity on. I would say NVTS might just be a pullback kind of look. So what I'm going to do on NVTS is I'm just going to set an alert on the 4-hour 13 EMA. Where is it? 13. What is this? NVTS extending traded hours. 13 EMA close. Crossing. No, we want. There we go. That's what I wanted to change. Okay. Yeah, so now I'm at least aware of the NVTS. Like I'm definitely not going to like do anything right now. That's like, but I think this is something I might want to start adding long in VTS. And if we come to the EMA on the 4 hour, I'll do it. Okay, let's see. All star top of the morning. EXO Cole. Any requirements to join the Discord? So there's a free section of the Discord and plenty of value to have there. Let me I'll send the link. Otherwise, if you want the paid section, just so you know, the paid section there is like a patrons only section where I shoot out kind of a watch list every morning. And then, well, the watch list, just so you know what it is, just supporting resistance levels for different stocks. And then, like, whenever I take a trade, I just post it in there. So that's for what you get for the paid version, but free version, you still get access to all this stuff too. So here, I'll drop the link for that. Is that an invite link? Is that a... Yeah, so yeah. So yeah, that link I just posted is a Discord invite link. Hope you had a call. I unfortunately had a call on neither. Yeah, unfortunately, but it's good to see some stocks moving. Definitely good to see some stocks moving. All right, so yeah, once again, trend identified on the spot. It's probably a similar trend on the Qs too. Let me see if we, like, if I were to draw that same trend line, it looks like the Qs has kind of consolidated past it. Let's look on the 15. Let me go back to the 5 on the SPY. SPY is still kind of holding it. I think I like the SPY's clarity more. Hey, shout out to the 22 people that smashed like though. It's a good morning. I see we said 76% green. Let's see. PC's down around 53. I don't think I want to watch IWM today. Let's see. What do we want to watch? I tried to buy a Q's put when it hit 564.60. Oh, so like about right here. It looked like that would have been the top of the uptrend channel, but it consolidated over it like you said. Yeah, so like right in here, I kind of, all right, so trend wise of the trend that I had, both the SPY and the Qs are on the other side, so they kind of have some freedom to fall down. SPY does have like kind of break and retest area. Here, I'll slide this down a little bit more. So when it comes back to that strategy, if y'all haven't seen the strategy I kind of like to employ is like if it's a continuation kind of trade, one potential trade I like if I'm still expecting this to go up is the idea that right here at the bottom of this candle right here at the very bottom, there's some liquidity there. So if it were to kind of come and test that liquidity, a possibility would be, okay, we come down, maybe sweep it, and then we get something like that. So there's a possibility for that. So maybe potentially watch for another move like that. Or we could also just like, if we see like we pick up to the downside, then we might just be selling off. Let's see. Got a 10-5 call for NVTS. For earnings, earnings are here. Let's see what kind of numbers NVTS has been putting in. So they don't turn a profit, but I guess like if they show improvement, that would be good for them. But you said August 8th, so you got some time for that. Hopefully it wasn't too pricey. Southern Magnolia, top of the morning. Naomi, top of the morning. How'd your battle go? All right, so we're still trying to push up. I'm gonna go to a 5 on the SPY on the cool. Oh, on the 5, it still looks like it's holding. Let me go to 5 on the Qs too. No, the Qs are not still holding. Oh, also, just checking in right here. But I had looked towards the end of the day on Friday, and I was like, oh shoot, hey, we're up pretty good on that Weeble. It had jumped up to I guess like 300. Now it's still not too far off, but yo, seeds being planted, and I'm starting to see other people starting to talk about it now. So that's a good little seed we planted a couple months ago. And it's easy to just ride whenever you get in at a much lower point. So yeah, I'm all about planting seeds. Oh, real quick, let's okay, still kind of doing our thing, consolidating on the Qs. Not really making much progress on the SPY. Yeah, we might have a nice little pullback here. Potentially, or like I guess a quick one maybe, I don't know. Big earnings coming soon. AMD, Nvidia, Palantir, Hood, SoFi. Coming up. But I don't think any of those are necessarily this week. So I mean it's so yeah, they're coming up. Coming up. Let's see what we got this week. For chips, we got Intel on Thursday. Uh we got Tesla on Wednesday. Google on Wednesday as well after close. Yeah, so Thursday evening, that's pretty big. Pretty big right there. Okay, good morning. I made $20 at market open on a 78 XYZ call this morning on the news that is moving to the S&P. Is it really? Here, let's look at it right here. All right, so SPY is just below that. Oh, okay, that's square. Okay, so it is. Yeah, okay. Let me. I'm gonna start like looking at what price SPY contracts are going for. I'm not necessarily like committing or getting anything yet. I'm just Just seeing how much they're going for right now. Hold up. I'm just seeing the heat rankings. Dang, open is up. Yeah, let me do what I was doing real quick. I just got distracted. Spy options. See what the puts are going for. Oh, really? It's not bad on the call. Yeah, we'll just kind of see. Hey, let me look at the next ones real quick. Nah, those are good. Yeah, we'll kind of see. IWM pulling back. So we already got Euro close. We kind of just chilled out a little bit. Honestly, I hadn't even really checked news today. Let me see what kind of I definitely like received headlines, but I didn't like check them. See, something about Southwest Airlines sets date for seat assignment launch. Lays out new boarding order. Okay. Okay, nothing there. Alright, let's see. Alaska Airlines grounds all flights after IT outage disrupts systems. What else we got? Justice Department. Oh, hold up, those are some old ones. Here, let me pull up the PCE real quick and see how that's moving. Okay, we got some puts being purchased. Alright, I might be a little early, but I just bought and grabbed some 631 puts. I grabbed two. They expired today. I'm just not going too large, just keeping it relatively small. I paid 50 per share, so could have got a better. Oh, I did not pay attention to my day trades. I got one, so I got one day trade. So, oh, actually, I paid 48 per share. But yeah, let me share that out real quick. Bought in about right here. We'll see how that ends up doing. Wouldn't even need like a crazy move. And let me slide this up. Share that in the Discord with the family. Just grabbed a SPY. What was it? 531? 631? put 0 DT paid 48 per share. So I think I grabbed it down here actually. Now let's here real quick. What is it? Okay, let's throw that in there. Okay. All right, so let's see if SPY can get to that 630 65 area. All right, let's see. Q sitting so still is, yeah. Let's see if we can cool off the RSI at all. I'm on the 5 minute. But actually the Qs is kind of cooling it off, but it's pulling back a little bit. I know you said you got in like at an earlier point though. All right, so up like 9% on that SPY trade. I would love to see us like just pull back to this point where I said would potentially be a good area for like if it is going to go up. Hello, Matthew. If you were 20 years old and you had to start with $250 to start investing, how would you start small by making 10 to 15 a day? So if I had 250 to start with, um, while it would be nice to make 10 or 15 a day, I would probably start by taking that 250 and maybe focusing on one stock at first, or maybe spreading out between a few. But I would start by dollar cost averaging into stocks that I thought could be something in the future. Like just from what I've seen and what I've kind of done now is like it's like all these stocks I've been looking at. I'm like, oh yeah, it doesn't even take a crazy amount to accumulate them right now. And it's like once you get to a certain point, you can make passive weekly income selling contracts on them. So, for instance, we were looking at NVTS. It's like this will have pullbacks in pricing, but long term is likely to go up a lot higher. Oh, let me get ready. Might need to take. Are these contracts not moving? The SPY is pulling back. Oh, okay, it is. It is. Okay, I was about to say, I'm like, yo, why is the contract not moving? But my phone was lagging. Very welcome, Jack. So pull back a little bit on the SPY. So up like 19, just under 20% on the position. Let's see. Good morning. Fear and Greed at 76. We acting like pigs. Are we up for the next slot? Hey, who knows? Who knows? Patricia, hey, yeah, I'm here. Just in case you didn't know, so I come at 10:30 Central Time now, and yeah, I just find it's better for me actually finding trades that I would take. So that's kind of why I do that. But yes, I am here. Hey, shout out to the 35 of y'all that smashed the like button. That's crazy. That's crazy looking. Hey, we're on stream and 35 of y'all were kind enough to realize or to be like, yo, I'm feeling that good smash energy. Let's see. Oh, 36. Okay, let's go. Feel you, Philip. Guys, where can I buy X119? I've been here. I'm not even sure what that is. Is that like crypto or something? Yeah, no idea. No idea. Uh yeah, I have no idea what that is. Always liking, never lurking. Appreciate you, D Skirt, big time. Uh Trenton, hey, no lurking here. Appreciate that. Oh, y'all just showed up. Y'all just smashed like everything. Oh, let's hit that like button. Oh, it's Elon's. Oh, XAI. Okay. I wasn't aware that you could buy it yet. I don't think it's public. Yeah, I don't think it's public yet, to my knowledge. So you might need a man on the inside to get in on that. Yeah, let's hit that like button. Okay, I'm in Pepsi, looking to go to 130. Here, let's pull up the chart. Let's, looking to go to 138 or 139. I'm not greedy. Are they playing games because it's here, let's see. Okay, so we'll have to see, but it is around the 13 EMA. There was kind of a wick, so it could get bought up again, but it was oversold. So right now, like it can pull back more. Let's try to throw a Fibonacci on this, see what that looks like. Or let's say, oh, it could go there. Is Yeah, it could go down more, but also it could pull up beforehand too. So it may not be a straight line. But yeah, right now it's kind of, it looks like it's positioned to where it could sell off more, like just looking at the RSI, but it could also kind of just move sideways and not do anything. But yeah, on the lower time frames, it's in a downtrend. Maybe it comes back up to 141 first before kind of selling off. We'll have to see. XRP. Let's get a look at XRP. XRP going crazy. Oh, shoosh. Shoosh. Look at little XRP. Oh, it's almost like a little double top. What you trying to do, XRP? Oh, okay, got you, fam. You go like this. Yeah, whenever the market's open, most Monday through Fridays. Yeah. You are appreciated. Hey, you're very welcome. Is it Alias or Elias? I don't know. Elias. Okay, cool, cool. Appreciate the phonic or the phonics or phonetics. Okay, so we're trying to sell on down, but we're not fully sure if we want to go below this 631. I would like to see us pull the 630.65. Hey, looking a lot better on the likes though, family. I see y'all showing up. Still got about 14 lurkers, but hey, I like to know there are some people in here with me. All right, oh, these curve I bought 500 XRP in December. A lot of people say XRP could go a lot higher. So they say XRP has like a lot more utility. So it's like if it with the utility, yeah, it can go higher. Can you check on Tesla? Yeah, we hadn't looked at Tesla there. Let's see. Where we at Tesla? All right, so Tesla pulled up, hit this trend line, sold off. Um, they are now at this other trend line, so they could bounce here. Right now they kind of have this little pattern kind of going up, but yeah, they're squeezing into a tightening range, and oh, so their earnings is likely, so they got earnings over here, so they're probably going to like from here there might be a slow rise, and I would expect like coming into their earnings they might be at least 334 around the time of their earnings, or like coming into their earnings, and then like after hours, when they actually oh, hold up, I see the spy moving. I might want to, yeah, let me, I'm a oh, it's moving too fast, I was about to take profit, but wow, okay, wow, wow, okay, no, come on back, come on back. That's a little annoying. That was I saw the numbers and then it just like, come on now. I'm gonna put in an order to sell one of them. See if we get filled on that one. Let me see how we're doing. Okay, good little progress on the account today. Okay. All right, moving on down some more. Moving on down. Yeah, sell on down. Let's go. Okay, yeah. Move on down again. Let's go. Let us get it. Let's make a new low. Come on. Not even looking for anything crazy. Just all right. So we're up 37% on the contracts. Oh, more than that. 30 39%. Let me get my sell ready just in case. See if we make a quick move. Kind of clean to come to this. Young Mosul, appreciate you, family. Yeah, appreciate that. Let me see. Okay, up in the top spot now. Okay, appreciate you, Young Mosul. Oh, okay, hold up. We trying to. Oh, hold up. Still got to get this sell ready. Let's see if these contracts want to go up a little bit. Let's see. Come on. All right, we're trying. Come on. New low. It made a new low, but are we gonna sweep some liquidity? No, they're trying to tease with it. Banks are investing in XRP once the ETFs look out. That's very true. Very, very true. Yeah, let's sell on down. Come on, bring it on down. Let me get more of a bird's eye view on this real quick. Oh, wrong chart. Oh yeah, we got this too. You said hello everyone. What trade are you currently in today? So I grabbed like a 0 DTE on the SPY. I grabbed a 131. Alright, kind of up on it. It's close to the target. I'm trying to see if we can get a little closer, but we'll kind of see. It's trying to tease. Hey, big or bread guy, top of the morning. Blessed nerd. You are very welcome. Very, very welcome. Am I going? Possibly. If I do, it'll have to be a swing though, because this is my last day trade. I didn't even realize it until after I entered. But yeah, if I do, it'll definitely be a swing. Like it won't be anything I take profit on today. So I might have to look for more of a setup as opposed to just a break of a trend line. Okay, it's trying to pop up now. So just okay. So just share so far, no trade. No, I grabbed some SPY puts for today. Yeah, so I grabbed an option to the downside on the SPY. Okay, might be time to take profit. If they want to give it to me, I would like to take it. We're like extra close right here. It's like we got a lot of buyers right here though. Come on. All right, I got an order in. Will it get filled? All right, so I got filled on one of the contracts. I got one more order in too. So I got filled on the contract at 73. So I locked in a little profit. I had two contracts. We'll have to see what happens right here. Yeah, I'm green on them. Jake Clever XRP will be over 1,000 and 1,000. Think it could? Oh, that's. I mean, that would be crazy, but hey, that's. I mean, that's cool. Here, I might want to change my order. I'm not trying to get caught with my pants down. You know. See how we do right here. Okay, I see. See, we got some lurkers in here. 20, at least 22 lurkers. Hey, anyway, we get some like button smash? Anybody want to smash a like button? Anybody want to help save the family? What time do you normally come on? I have to start catching you when you first come on. I like how your channel is nice. Appreciate that. So started the stream like almost an hour ago. So 11 or 10:30 Central Time is when we got on. So we've been on almost 50 minutes, or been on for like 48. I got on a minute late today. Oh, I forgot. I need to update the family real quick. Your calm demeanor wants to. Yes, sir. Yes. Hey, Matthew Manuel. I'm not signing off, but I want to change your life. All right, let's come in and real quick. Let me real quick let the family know. Sold out of one of the puts at 73 per share. There we go. Oh, might be. Here, let's anything else? Anything else? Are we gonna get a new low? Hold on. All right, I sold out the other one at 71 per share. All right, so yeah, I took profits. Let's see. I took profits at. Oh wait, hold up, I can. No, did I just mess that up? I think I did. All right, so yeah, I'm out of the SPY. Just a heads up, everybody. If I am being honest, I would say the odds of this being the last trade I enter on this stream is very high. So if you have something else you want to do, not the worst idea. But otherwise, if you just want to chill, if you want to look at some stocks, if there's anything you're trying to like just, I don't know, tap in for, hey, I'll be here. I'm here for some time. But yeah, looking at that trade. All right, we got out on this candle. And look at it trying to move further now. But yeah, we got out. All it took was not even it didn't even move down a full dollar from where we entered. That's when zero DTs can be nice. It's like whenever you like wait long enough in the day. Yeah, that's close to like 40%. Alright, 80. Hey, what's up, family? Davis, hello. Tell me I took profit this morning. Or you mean like took profit on like other positions? All right. Oh, now the SPY wants to pull back. Hey, it was just waiting on me. Let's see the 15. Oh, it's at the 13. So just hit my target, but I'm not tripping. Oop, hold up. Let me look at the account. I was using the challenge account again. I need to like edit and update videos. Like I got week 8 completely recorded. But honestly, low key I might just have to like go live one day and just kind of like record the episode and like catch up on like the next couple weeks, because it's like recording it and like doing it. It's starting to be like with the busyness, it's kind of okay. So how much the paid version of Discord? Right now it's like 15, I think. Let me see. I think it's like 15. Let me check. Yeah, it's going to be 15. And like when it comes to the different levels of it, just know both levels they're the same thing. So yeah, both watch list and breakout, you're going to get the same thing. It's just like some people just want to pay more. You said or anybody else. Elias, what was that or anybody else comment about? I was going to trade in the Philippines, but the market opens at like 9. Oh. And I personally don't even when in the Philippines, I personally don't even like if you were trying to hop on my stream, 80 the stream starts at like 10:30 Central Time here. So that's like 2 hours after the market opens, so that'd be like 11:30. Yeah, that'd be extra late. Let's see. Can you explain what made you take the put on the SPY? Yeah. So there are a lot of different kinds of setups. Um, but today was just a trend line. That's all. So I noticed it was trending. The trend to the upside seems to be strong, and we were overbought. So because of the fact that we were overbought and we've kind of just been continuously pushing up, it's like I see a lot of levels we can pull back to, but honestly, I'm nervous, too nervous to get a big one. So I still see that we can still continue riding higher, but I didn't want to wait for a larger pullback to kind of do that. So I took like a small put, and all I did was kind of what I noticed was I think I was on the 15. All right, so first thing I noticed on the 15, at the time that I was looking at it, the volume was like lowering. If we look down here at the bottom, let's see if that, yeah, if we look at the bottom, I saw the volume was lowering. I saw that we were overbought. And here, maybe it was a 5. I don't know. I feel like it looked different. Like, I feel like the volume was like a lot more kind of stagnant. I feel like I saw this up here and I was like, oh, that's high. And then I started seeing candles like lower like this. Nah, because it was over here. Never mind. I feel like it. Okay, so the candle started out like this and then they kind of got sideways. So this is when I was like, okay, we might be pulling back because they're not looking like that. We're losing steam. And then I looked for a trend. And like I used these first few candles over here to see if I could like connect anything. So there were those. And then I could see that it looked like we were kind of getting back to it. So I used that as a trend line. And then I have a video on my channel called The Only Strategy I Need or something like that. And this was a strategy like this would be the strategy to kind of like trade it up more. So it made a low on this candle right here where I have this red arrow. So this candle, it made a low. So pretty much I was looking for it to come back to make this. And this would actually be a good place for it to either make a equal high or make a new high. So because of that, it's like I'm a little nervous trading to the downside. But if I thought it was going to come back here, I was like, small move to the downside after a trend line break. It's a opportunity. So that's kind of what I was looking at when I did that. It was like I wasn't necessarily expecting anything major. It can, like if we confirm below this line and we get some selling pressure below this line, but it doesn't like fully look like that'll happen right away. So I just wanted a quick move. I was asking you or anybody else in the chat. Oh, okay, I got you. I missed your streams, bro. You have a good win percentage, and I mess with that. I feel like I definitely like lost a good amount while you were gone. Like, I feel like there were some streaks where I lost a good amount. So it's like I win, but like don't get me wrong, I lose too. It's like but when I start losing, it's like I need to get back in the classroom and like workshop like my trade. So is there a particular reason you don't come on when so Blessner, up until like I think the week before last, I was. And yes, there is a reason. So what happens at market open is we get a lot of erratic movement. And a lot of the time it seems like almost for nothing. It's like, market open, we just kind of blasted up today. I personally didn't see any news or catalyst for that. And it's like a lot of the time it's a gamble. Sometimes It's like it looks like things are gonna break, and then it'll just jump up really high really fast, and then like as soon as it's like, oh, it's a breakout, I would try to get in, and it's like, oh, psych, that wasn't a breakout, and it'll just come out. So it's like I find like the people, like when it comes to the people in the chat, it's a lot easier to deal with everyone too. There's a lot less FOMO because it's like there's like 1,000 tickers and stuff being thrown at me at market open, and it's just really it's an overwhelming situation. It's already difficult enough trading in front of people. It's like whenever you have 1,000 ideas coming at you too, and you want to look at everything, it kind of causes you to, oh, it's just overstimulating, honestly. Very welcome, XO Cole. What calls or puts did y'all get into? I grabbed like some SPY zero DTEs. They were like 631s, and oh, it took them like, I want to say like 45% or so. Do you do this full time or do you work at? So I work a job, but I like work from home. It's like I don't necessarily work for anybody, but I do, like, I work. Like I do work. When you say you need to go back to the classroom for your trade, where do you go to? So honestly, I would say for the most part, like, I'm not going to say I know everything, but when it comes to back to the classroom, maybe it's more like going back and watching film if you played sports. Because it's more like I need to go in and like dissect kind of what's been going wrong for me. Not necessarily going back to like relearn. It's more just like, okay, what's going wrong? It's like I know enough about what I am trying to achieve trading to be able to look back and say like, okay, what mistake am I making? So that's kind of me going back to the classroom. But if you're like completely new and you are looking for like a good resource to learn trading, so I have like this completely free like kind of course playlist on YouTube, and I'll like run through it with you real
In this
quick
video,
just to explain
I'm
it.
going to show you every.
Hold up. So this is going to be the playlist right here. This is the first video in the playlist. Let's make it a little. What would I just do? Let's bring that up. But all right, so this is going to be the first video in the playlist, and the way it's going to work out. This first video is going to do a lot too. So first off, I explain kind of how to set up charts. Most like desktop platforms are going to look like this. So then how to set up the tools. This is like more trading view specific if you want to be kind of like me. But I understand not everyone wants to do that. Then there's a small section on like, oh, good stocks to trade and like what to look for. Then this is going to pretty much be a lot of your technical analysis. So this right here, this next section, this is like really important. So how to analyze a trend, so understanding uptrend, downtrend, or like just understanding what phase of the trend you are, because understand you make profits, like you make trades from point to point, not just kind of guessing. Then like this is what I did today. It's like this part is like how to draw a trend line. So how to draw trend lines. This is like analyzing the trend on a live chart. Then this is understanding like, yo, is this trade worth taking? Like, should I take this trade? Like, I have a 1 to 3 odds. Like, all this is in the first video. Where to place your stop loss. Where to take profit. What is this? Like different brokerages I use, where I get my news. The news might not as relevant anymore. And then we get into like this isn't options related, but this is more like just technicals and stuff. How to buy a stock, how to sell a stock, how to place a stop order. Okay, and then we have other videos in here. This is like
Look, I'm
a swing trading strategy. Here, let's turn those captions off. But once again, understanding time frames. This is going to be very, very, very important. Very, 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 very like know your time frames. Understand what they're good for. Once again, like trend lines, knowing when to trade, how to swing trade. Then we got options for beginners, how to practice trading options, how to set your stop loss for options. And then this is like
want to understand.
how to actually understand the pricing of options. And this is like after you've kind of done it. And then comes the question of like, oh, what's the best, like which strike price should I go for? Like these are, oh, I feel like I've kind of ordered them in a way where you kind of figure out, or you get like, as you have the questions, it's like, okay, it's time to move on to the next video after you've kind of like practiced and played with it. So thanks for sharing. I feel the same way. Tend to fall more when the market opens unless I kill it pretty much. No, yeah, I feel that. Yeah, like usually if I'm gonna do something, it needs to be like a like if I'm gonna like do anything at open, it's usually taking profit. Just because like so much can go wrong. How long did it take you to get trading down packed and come up with your own system? Because I'm similar to you. I like to trade after 10 because they play games. I also get faked out a lot with those. So, Elias, I gotta say, like, I am still making changes and getting things down packed. So it's like I'm starting to realize I have like different kind of systems for different situations. Like I feel like I just realized like if I am going to trade on a day, I gotta come here at this time. Uh, if I am like traveling and whatnot, I gotta get like 2 to 3 weeks time. I'm more swing trading. I can't be watching the charts as closely. I just need to set my alerts and like only do things whenever I set my alerts. So honestly, you put me in a situation long enough and I adapt to it. But when it came to kind of learning the fundamentals, first couple years of trading, I kind of just tried to trade based off news, which oh, I was led to believe that technical analysis had no real value and it was just a bunch of like mumbo jumbo. But then I was like, let's give it a shot. Then I like learned it, like say like 2 years, and it's like everything kind of. I don't think it takes 2 years to learn, but I didn't necessarily like pay for any courses or anything over those 2 years. I just kind of like learned it and seeked it all out on YouTube, and then I paid for a mentorship. The mentorship, I didn't really learn anything new, but I learned the stuff in a different kind of way, and I was like, oh, I already know this, but I didn't like. Sometimes it's just the way things are taught, and I'm like, oh, it's the same thing, but this is how they look at it. And then it's like I guess the fact that I paid for the mentorship, I'm like, yo, I gotta get my money back because I paid like 2K for this. So I'm like, yo, I'm not. I gotta make my return on invested investment. So I think that's kind of what when it kind of became more consistent. Buddha Deb, good afternoon. Hit the like. 24 to go to avoid Alcatraz. Oh yeah, I can't tell if there are any lurkers here. But yo, if you have not, hey, be sure to hey smash that like button, check in, say what's up, family. Um, hey, what do you think about XRP? So oh, apparently it has a lot of utility and it's on the up and up. So that's what I'll say. Hey, no hate here, no hate here. I'm not quite making moves on XRP like that yet, but It's like I might just miss the boat. Like it's okay if I miss the boat, but it's like it's something I would put money in if I had more. Beating the Press podcast, Matthew. I'm loving the content. Keep up the good work. Know that hey, I appreciate you. Beating the Press podcast. Do you podcast? Do you podcast regularly? Uh, okay, I feel you on that. Zoom is for the yes. We will have a Zoom on Wednesday. I will post it on the channel post. I will post it uh, in the paid section of the Discord and on and like I will post it in this chat, like in the chat here on Wednesday too. For those of you that want to save the link for later that night. If you wanted to, do you think you could make a living on trading? So I tried to do it when my my expenses were a lot less and I was in Europe. And it's like it goes well until it doesn't. It's like I don't know, it's like it's something easy to do and it's something I can do like making the income, but it's like trading. Like one thing you'll find if you like really take a look at it, it's like if you the times of your life where you experience stress and things aren't all together in your life, that carries over into your trading. So it's like yes and no. uh if I have like a fat chunk of money where it's like I don't necessarily have to worry about anything, if you're like, yo, let's make could you make 200K a year trading? Yes. And I could just live off that. But right now where I am and like what I'm trading with, no. Not just on that alone. I would need what was I gonna say? It's like I need other things there. It's crazy. It's like I can make full time income trading, but I can't just trade because I won't like mentally I won't be secure enough to do that. So it's a little annoying. It's like it's crazy that to those who it's like those who need it the least usually receive the most, unfortunately. And I don't know. Romero, what's up? What's up? Hoping everyone's having a good trading day. Yeah, it's been a good day. Hope all is well with you. Appreciate you dropping by again. Happy to see your name again. How much are you comfortable spending and budget putting into trades? Honestly, it depends on like where I am right now. Right now, I'm not like really putting like too much in. I would say like right now the largest I go is like 300. I'm not even doing a lot right now. It's like I am investing more daily, so it's like say if I invest like $1,200 a month, I'm like probably less than yeah, it's probably like 200 of that goes towards options, and like the other 1,000 is going into the stock market, is just going to investments. So it's like the goal is to grow the options, but grow the options and like move it over into investments. But right now it's like I'm not throwing anything crazy at it because it's like I do have things I'm paying off and stuff. So once I get stuff paid off, bro, I'll tell y'all I put myself like some years back in situations where it's like, yo, I had no choice but to get my income up. So it's like once I get stuff paid off, oh my goodness, like I'm gonna have a fat amount to invest, and it's like, um, First last, you're very welcome. Henry, top of the morning. The transparency is, I feel like the transparency is a must because I want y'all to do well. And it's like, I understand trading is not necessarily for everybody. And it's like, if you're going to go down this journey, I just want to let you know what to expect. And then, like, hopefully, like, cut your time down. Like, not go through everything that I've had to go through. It's like I wouldn't give my journey away for the world. Like there was a point my life was like I felt like my life was too easy and I had no story. So I definitely like love the fact that I've gone through what I've gone through, but it's like I don't think it's necessarily something everyone else should go through. Yes, sir. I'm very close to getting out of some of these bills. I'm a bust they hit. Oh yeah, train. Hey, yeah, bro. Yeah, one something that got a little crazy for me is like, bro, I was over here saying like, oh yeah, like I'm going to refinance whenever they cut rates, and then the rates have just been up for like 2 years, and then they like raised them. I'm like, oh, okay, so the amounts I was paying is not okay. All right. So it's like I'm doing well, and it's like I'm moving forward like very well right now. But unfortunately, I still have like debt I'm paying, and it's like when I see how much I'm like, yo. I mean, first off, if I never like got myself self into debt, I probably wouldn't be making the money I'm making now, which is like it's really good money. But it's like also like, yo, that's a lot of money. D community, top of the morning, top of the morning. Oh shoot, hey, we kind of got the likes up. Appreciate y'all, fam. QXO, yes sir. Buddha Deb, I got you. Oh, not right there though. Not right there. We gotta move that to a different spot. Is this that like brand that no, I think that's OXO. Hold up. Here, let's what kind of time frame are we looking at, Buddha Deb? Here, I'll just start out on the monthly. All right, so this appears to be a oh, actually, no, there's quite a range. I'm over here saying this appears to elite call. Um, hold up, let's see. What's so oh, I guess ever since when was this? I guess August of last year they've experienced higher volume. That's what I'm seeing on a higher time frame. Where did they come from? Oh my. Ew. What happened to this company? Okay, getting back to it. Let's see. Here, let me look at the. Okay. Oh, so they were. Oh, okay. That's kind of nice. They're expected to make a profit for the first time since I it might be ever, but they are expected to actually have a profit. So I would say like catalyst wise, that could be good for this company, QXO. So I'm seeing that like that adds something in his favor to lean towards a little bit. Um, Beating the press. So we kind of made money on a spy put already. We like made like about 45%, but there might be another trade. So this is the trade I was talking about. Like this also could have been something, but like I was saying at this level, like I had it up earlier that it's like, oh, we sweep right here, and then we look for here. So it's like the continuation to the upside play might be kind of already kind of like ran out. But maybe if we get a triple top, you might be able to take it back down. But I'm personally done with the trades for the day unless I see like a good swing setup. On the cool, I might hold up. It still might be a little soon. It's like I would like to get a swing put, but I still, if I get one, it won't be on stream more than likely. I don't feel like it's quite at a level where I want to do it yet. So I'm gonna have to wait. But going back to QXO, it does look it's looking good now that I look at kind of some of the fundamentals. So if they do, Buddha Dev, I would say it has good potential. Coming back down to let's see, like the 1 hour or 4 hour. Also got a little uptrend going, so yeah, you got a little uptrend going. So if maybe you get another pop, but it's like these earnings they could like that situation right now that I'm seeing like at least for the last year. Oh, I'm seeing analysts rating it a strong buy too. You got a $33 1 year price target. I mean, it's looking like it should do well. Which apps, stocks, trading, investing apps do you recommend most out of them all? So I feel like Robinhood is like the easiest for just trading in general. I feel like Moomoo has like the best news and like tools. So I like those two. Weeble is kind of up there, but I still prefer Moomoo. But they're I would say Weeble and Moomoo are similar, but like Moomoo has better tools in my opinion. Oh, those would be my apps on the call. Crazy how this wants to run up and break its 4 hour trend on a no news day. That threw me out. So yeah, that's kind of been the trend. That has been the trend. That's what throws me off as well. That's what makes me afraid to like there is like an element of dis-ease when it comes to trading. Oh, you're very welcome, Buddha Dad. You're very welcome, Young Mazel. Hey, 90 likes. 10, hey, 10 away from El Salvador. Hey, I think we might be back to breaking out of El Salvador status. Hey, we like to see it, family. We enjoy the freedom. Oh, I got a package. Oh, from FedEx. Okay. Oh, we hit 20. So I'm gonna give y'all just to those of y'all watching the challenge. I know I have been slacking on like uploading the videos, but just to give y'all an update, I think I told y'all like I had to fund it again. But hold up. What is this? Wait, hold on. First, let me. Good morning, IWM. Good to buy here for a roll to 226. I don't know. I don't necessarily watch it on like that time frame. Um, I think it's a good buy right now. It's in an uptrend, so this does seem like a good area for it. But beyond my kind of like it seems like a good area. I don't have like a strong like yes. What's the Salvador status? So El Salvador is here. Let me show you. So it's like if we don't hit the like count, hey, we get sent to prison. And wait, yeah, there we go. Secot El Salvador. It's like pretty much the world's most notorious prison, right? These are the conditions. Here, let's see if we can zoom in on that. Let's show y'all what's up. Yo, they got like 80 people to a cell. You got like 6 square feet of like kind of your own space and whatnot. And yo, there's like 2 toilets in there for the 80 of them to use. I don't know. It's like, once you go there, you don't get out. It's just a thing. It's a place we don't want to be. So we try to make sure we hit the likes. We try to get there. Just won a $200 Amazon gift card from a Moomoo paper trading competition. Wow. Hey, congrats, family. I might need to start looking at those. Oh my goodness. Wow. Amazing. Wow. That's beautiful. Congrats, family. I don't have crazy high expectations just starting out. I would be thrilled to even make $50 in one day of trading. So here, so with I think I used $96 today for the trade I made, and I made 47 from it. So that's a 48% return. It's not quite 50, but that's a solid return just from that small. It wasn't even a dollar of movement. What platform am I using to day trade on here? So this I didn't make any trades on this. I just use this to kind of watch and chart. But I use Moomoo to make my trade today, and most of the time when I make trades on stream, it's either going to be Moomoo or Robinhood. Like tomorrow, it'll probably be Robinhood because I don't think I have any day trades tomorrow. Yeah, I don't have any day trades until Thursday. So honestly, I probably won't. It's like I probably won't day trade till at least Friday if need be, or at least not for this account. Oh, shout out to the extra people that just came in and smashed that like too, cause oh, I see you, I see you. Yeah, we're getting closer. Oh yeah, that max prison is crazy. No one is getting out, but hey, they earned a ticket in jail. They sleep on the. Oh yeah, yeah. Hey, it is what it is. This is awful. Got it. Hey, you're very welcome, Levi. Very welcome. Let's see. Randy, good morning. Hello, man. Yo, it's a rap. No español. You know speaky the Spanish? No habla? Oh, shoot. We got one more. Okay. Okay. I see y'all. Hey, I guess that El Salvador motivated y'all. Coming out of the woodworks to smash a like. Okay. Hey, I'm here for it. All right. Okay, so we got the SPY pushing up again. Yeah, it's doing that little pushy push thing. Oh, look at Google. Google is it's a little rocket. Oh, it does have earnings on Wednesday. I don't think it's gonna like have like a hard sell off or anything either, because I feel like Google has just been slept on for some time. So I think it's very well deserved that Google have this movement. Trading has been extremely quiet for me lately. What do you mean by that, Big Reg? Google McDougal. Glad I'm still in my. Oh, nice, nice, D Skirt. I'm glad you're still in your call too. What? Where are you at right now, D Skirt? I know you flew on to Houston, but where? You in Arizona? Where you at? Also, how was your kava, man? What's your favorites to invest in that are in the top? Oh, $1 to $10 range. Oh, I might need to get more in that range. Let's see. Oregon till Saturday. Oh, okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Let me see if I have any that are in that range. I think the only thing I'm holding in that range right now is Honest, just because I mean I'm not like regularly buying into that. I just grabbed like 100 shares. So that's not one I would say is going to do anything exciting anytime soon. But on this list, so there's MVTS that I feel is good. Let's see what else. Um, Rich Tech Robotics. I like the idea of just grabbing a couple 100 shares. Just to, I wouldn't necessarily say hold on to them, or like just I wouldn't necessarily say like expect anything in short term. But I think like just holding them, I think they'll do well. BBAI. We got any more on here? Lucid was popping off. That's another one that I just grabbed like a couple 100 shares or so. I wouldn't necessarily. It could be some things. It could be some things, but you just kind of need continued whatnot. Yeah, I would say those are kind of like in that price point. That's kind of what I would see for now. Okay. Oh, you okay? We got the commercials again. I forgot. I got on late. Let's see. We can uh, we can uh we can ensure there are no more for the rest of the stream. Let's see. Where do we go? All right. There's oh, okay. Yeah, there shouldn't be any more commercials during this stream. All right. Let's see. Scheduled for Chipotle, or settled for Chipotle. It is okay. It's a good location. Saturday or Sunday, you can bet Kava is on the menu. Okay, cool. What country do you plan on visiting for vacation this year or next? Okay, when it comes to like just purely pleasure, it would probably have to be next year or later. But I would like to do like a solid month in Japan. That's just purely pleasure. But like when it comes to like where I am actually gonna go, um, I would probably for sure go to. This is because my wife has family there and like friends. So right now, like London, Portugal, Spain, and then like in Europe, if we go out there, I might want to go to Italy too. I feel like that's I need to Italy, and then I don't know. What do I think about a put on Nvidia? I think it's dangerous. We can take a look at it. Let's take a look. Let's see what okay, so like first off, first thing I see, we're at the 13 EMA on the 4 hour for Nvidia. Got a pretty strong trend up, so let's see. So looking, they appear to have been in a solid trend since June 25th. So if I don't know, we'll get a closer look. So yeah, if I kind of take this to that spot, we can see we got trend start here. We got wicked here. We got another wick here. So I would want to see a break of this trend line. So maybe you get a pullback here, but I would think if we do like fall below this like 169 level, that we will come on and fill the gap to at least 165. But right here, I don't know. It's close to being overbought, but it's not completely overbought right now. So right now it's just like it's ranging. Dude, BBI AI been hearing so much. Yeah, they've kind of gone up and gone crazy a little bit. So, um, Spy might have a little triple top action on Spy. I don't know. We'll see. See if it can make progress or if it gets pushed down. Can you look at Tim as a possible swing? Angie. Why, yes, of course. Let's see. Yo, we're one like away. One like away from freedom. All right, so Tim. Um, I mean, first thing I'm seeing. Actually, I don't know. They did just cross to the upside on the 4 hour, but it's like they might be crossing back. They're RSI. They're chilling right in the middle. Let me look at a higher time frame. On the monthly, this chart looks ugly. Let's see the weekly. A little better on the weekly. I don't really know how I feel about it. Yeah, I don't know. Volume's kind of low on the weekly, daily. I don't know. They're not necessarily. They're legit like right in the middle of like everything. So right now it's like either direction I kind of be uncertain. I mean we can drop down to a lower time frame, but it's like once you get down to the 1 hour, it's not really looking at a swing anymore. So they appear to have support at this kind of 59.60 area, but yeah, I would need more. Some bearish signals on Lucid. Let's take a look at the Lucid. Oh shoot, we did it. We did it. All right, so right now, Lucid, we had that pop up. And it looks like we're coming back to our little Fibonacci area. Oh, they appear to have based out at around this $2 area. Oh, it's like go short term bearish, but we'll just have to watch that and see what happens. Welcome, Randy. Man, I sold all my stocks before they went crazy the last few months. How do you get over a loss like that? Have you been there? Oh yeah, easily. Yeah, I've definitely been there. So my thing is whenever I miss out, my question is it's like I have to get over and say like, yo, I missed out. I could have done this. And it's like, all right, well, there's nothing I can do about it now. It's like, how can I help prevent this for the future? And it's like, oh, let me dollar cost average into this stuff. That way I'm not trying to trade it and get it at the best level. Let me just like buy a little bit every day or every week or whatever period time frame. And we'll get kind of used to it. So it's like I buy stuff every day, and it's like every day I'll look at my portfolio and it's like, oh, this it's up this much or it's up this much. What's moving it? But it's like I'm not trying to trade the shares anymore. Options is a little different, but like shares, it's like it's good when you just kind of dollar cost averaging. Maybe go heavier on some like dips, but other than that, mm. What are key levels and how far back do you go to find them? I guess it depends on the just like the I guess like what time frame I'm trading on. Cause it's like if we look at the Qs right here or the SPY right here, it's like there are key levels everywhere. It's really just gonna be like how strong is it? If you see a key level on the 4 hour, it's going to be a lot stronger than the key level on the 5 minute. So right now, looking at it, you see we have this chart where the SPY, there's a low here, then it moves up here, there's a high here, then it pulls back here, there's another low, pulls up high here, low here. Areas where you either get these changes in direction or where you get like a lot of touches, those are going to be key levels. So it's like going back just like 15 minutes on the SPY, I can see this 630, 64 area is a key level. And then going back a little bit more, the level it's at right now is the key level because it struggled to get above, but it changed direction there. Bro, Japan, I want to go, but I hate the language barrier. Since I joined your Discord, I've been making bread, so thanks to you next year, I'll be moving to Morocco and the Philippines. Oh, nice. Nice. Do you have a language barrier there, Jamie? You going to experience life? It's like you do the most growth whenever you leave your comfort zone. So it's like that way when you come back, you'll be a lot better for it. Your eyes really open up to the world when you travel. So you'll be a lot better for it, Jamie. Hey Matt, the Dogecoin chart looks amazing. Here, let's see. That's not really anything I ever look at. It looks like it is flying. So that's a 4 hour. Let's look at it on a daily. Sheesh. That thing going crazy. Yeah, that's going crazy. Last time it was this high was in February. Okay. Year to date, it's still been a rough year for Doge, so you got everyone that continues to mine it. So once again, I'll say this is more a trade than an investment. And it's like if we look at it, we have this old trend line I drew that was respected. We broke that. We're still on the lower side of that. But it's like, yo, there's money to be made short term. Yeah, D Scurry, we hit it. They ain't got no award for that. Let's go. My portfolio is diversified, but I'm glad I didn't leverage too much in crypto. Hey, I feel that. But also, there might be a day where you're like, oh dang, I wish I went heavier in crypto. Hindsight is 2020. But I have a feeling SPY might be bearish on the 15 chart. Not sure if that's a bearish fair value gap I see, but hey, it may not know. I mean, yeah, there's definitely like some downside like to be had. Like there is room and there are targets to the downside. Like I see a well on the 15. I see actually fair value gaps all the way down to like 628.55. If we turn on this little fair value gap indicator that Chase showed me, yeah, you can see like just on the day since this trend has started, this is the lowest fair value gap right here. Let me turn it off now. For the last year, I've been learning Tagalog, which they speak in some parts of the Philippines, and also learning Arabic for Morocco from two different private teachers. Oh, that's cool. You got actual private teachers. Yeah, I was gonna say, hey, Duolingo is semi nice, but yo, it's like you might understand and hear some things, but it's like, hey, yeah, you wanna do more than just Duolingo for sure. Just enough to get by. Hey, that's all you need, bro. Quick question: when we change to margin account in Robinhood, can I trade same stock daily for options? Um, yes, you can, but only up to 3 times, like within this 5 day trading period. So if you make 3 day trades on a Monday, you will not get those 3 day trades back until 5 trading days later. So that could potentially be annoying. I like trade the same stock daily for options trading. Yeah, you can like entering the put or call and closing it by end of the day. Does that? Yes, that is exactly what counts as a day trade. Yeah, you buy and sell in the same day. That is a day trade for sure. Yo, my stomach's kind of going at it. Yeah, bro, I invest my money in trading and learning different languages because I like traveling a lot and it keeps me on track and out of trouble. Oh yeah, make sure not don't be dumb and get in trouble in a different country, cause that'll yeah, make sure you know the laws and stuff. And know what is culturally acceptable. Yes. So you will not see me jaywalking in Japan. It's like nothing will really happen to me if I don't, but yo, you might get some frowns. Yo, I got hunger. I got some real hunger right now. All right, let's see. I don't know if Big Reg is there, but I see Nike kind of having a positive day. Nothing like ultra crazy, but it's good for Nike. I feel like we're kind of chilling on the market now. We're just here chilling, just chill. I am indeed here and excited about Nike. Hey, glad to hear it. Open door. Yeah, so I saw that earlier when I was getting in to make my spy trade. I got distracted because I saw on Moomoo that they're like, I guess they have the top volume for the day. Yeah, they were going kind of crazy. I was like, oh shoot, okay. I'm like, oh man, wow. Put like 60 in last Friday and sold out of it for close to. Hey, nice, solid win, but I don't want to keep watching. Yeah, I know exactly how you feel. It's like, yo, sometimes when you see stuff that keeps moving, yo, you gotta, yeah, avert those eyes elsewhere. Don't want those wandering eyes. Although I've been sitting here all this time, I low key forgot I could just have my little recovery on my legs. I ran like 8 miles this morning. That's why I'm kind of like I'm like tired right now. I feel like I could use a nap. Also kind of hungry on the cool. Ooh. All right. So what we thinking here, guys? We gonna push up higher, or we gonna oh chill? Oh, also to those of you in the Discord, I might just have to start like just randomly popping in on evenings when my wife's not here. Like when my energy is like too low to work, but I can like chat and stuff. Just to it's like cuz I feel like I would struggle to make like a specific time, but like just kind of like a chill time just chatting. I feel like yo be down for that. Going back to Jamie. You said higher, okay. Yeah, cuz we're like ranging, here let's slide this one up. Like ranging between this area. Think we're holding steady, no significant moving. Gravestone Dojo, we may go down, baby. Okay. Yo, we got like every day. We got higher. We got stand. We got downwards. We got okay. Yo, we here. Let's see. Let's go to a 1 hour. Let's see what we're looking like. Okay, that's the 1 hour. Let's see the four. Honestly, 4 hour. I would be like bullish. Spy stop the zigzag. Hey, it's only zigzagging if you're on the lower time frames. Otherwise, it's just. I mean, no, actually, it's still doing it, but it's pushing up. You slow it down, it's like, oh yeah, that thing running. What are these birds playing like right outside my window? If only Spy liked to behave. All right, what's new? Okay. Yeah, so we're kind of chilling here. We are chilling. Hey, what's everyone thinking for lunch? What we doing for lunch, y'all? I'm sorry. Can y'all tell I'm hungry? That's what I'm trying to. That's what I'm on right now. Lunch and maybe a nap. Good. Looking at the queues, the queues is about to also come up to its. Did it do it? Let's see. Once again, I'm not taking anything, but if it can't progress to get above us, mm, muscle milk and peanuts. That sounds like something I would get if I were like at work working somewhere, trying to be efficient. Must okay, Chipotle leftovers or Jersey Mike. I got a Jersey Mike's right by me. Like I can legit walk. Be there in probably like 4 or 5 minutes. Grilled chicken salad. Okay, that sounds good. That sounds good. How long does it take you to run 8 miles? I used to run 7 miles in my early 20s. And yeah, you should pop in on Discord whenever you're free. That would be cool. Lunch, maybe Applebee's, wings, and I don't know about me. I don't know. I'm trying to like find stuff from y'all. But what was I gonna say? So this morning I ran it in. Oh, I ran 8.11 miles in an hour and 13 minutes. So I ran at like a 9 minute mile pace. I just oh, it's different every day. I wasn't like racing or anything. I was just like just kind of running at a pace. Right now I'm trying to get miles in because I'm running a marathon at the end of the year. So I would like my body to be used to it. So I'm just trying to get used to it. Kava, nah, I wish the one in my city opens the next week. I got one like right by my house that's they're throwing up pretty fast, but I don't know when it opens. But yeah, they got one like they're putting it right by my house. But I could get a kava too. Let's see. I won't have to drive 25 minutes. I gotta drive like maybe like 17 or 18 minutes to get kava right now. I have no choice. I have to work. Gotta go. I'm here pumping weights. Oh yeah, I feel you. I feel you. Hey, but hey, get that in, yo. I was doing that like right before the stream, or actually I showered right before, but right before that I was lifting weights. Kava always on the list. Applebee's because there's a cute waitress I want to ask out on a date. Let's see. Do y'all have good conversation? I feel like oh, there's so much like oh, it's like I want to change lives in so many ways. It's like if I could assess that situation, I don't know. That's good, bro. 9 minute pace, good. Oh, appreciate you, Jamie. Appreciate you. Yeah, I feel like I'd be cool holding that like for my first marathon if I could hold that for the whole time. I'm trying to get like my comfortable chill pace, which I guess that's kind of what the nine is. It's like yo, if I'm like not running too slow, not running too fast, I feel like I can just run that until I guess my legs won't like it's not like too much effort. It's like I can chill at that. But rotisserie chicken, banana, nectarines, pumpkin pie, and a That seems like quite the combination on the cool. But usually, if I have anything to do with rotisserie chicken, it's like yo, we usually like cut the like chicken off and like we use the chicken to like on like tacos or something. That mess is fire. Have any of y'all ever had velvet taco? Place is alright too. I just gotta drive like 18 minutes to go out to Velvet Taco. Alright, let's see. Oh, hold up. Hold up. I forget I get like a little Uber Eats credit every month. I haven't even used it this month. We only got like 10 days left. I gotta make sure I use that. Let me see. See if I used it yet. I don't think I have. No, I did actually. I did. Never mind. Forget that. I used it with my wife. Okay. I was about to say that narrows down what I'm gonna have, but nope. It is 1234 in Texas, 12:34. We're here a couple hours after Euro close. I feel like Euro close is a good time to. Um, it's crazy the market. Like if we truly look at it, the whole time I've been on stream, the range for the market or the range for the SPY. Where's that tool? So I came in here, but yeah, the range of the market it's been in a dollar wide range, and then I only got like 69 cents of movement for the trade. Okay, actually probably less than that on the cool. Hold up, when did IBIT get up here? Did they have like a split or something? Hold up, I feel like IBIT was. No, I'm thinking of something else. I'm thinking of something completely different. I was about to say. I was about to go crazy. I was thinking of what is it? It's something Bitcoin. Something for Bitcoin. Do I have it on my list? No, I don't think I do. What's it? Here, I'm about to come to a 5 minute on the SPY and on the Q. Ooh, wrong time. Yeah, I'm gonna come to a 5 minute on the SPY though. Whole lot of consolidation. 5 minute on the Qs as well. Oh, we're already there on the Qs. Okay. We are not moving. Robinhood's down like 2% on the day. SoFi's down. AMD. Let's see. Yeah, Nike up like 3%. Let's go. Netflix up like $17 after falling so much. Here, let me get a good look at Netflix real quick. Make sure they're not trying to do anything tricky. Still in a downtrend for now. Alright, who else we got on here? Core Weave's up like 4%. Chime. Yeah, I got nothing to say. Nothing to say about it. Yo, I'm gonna let y'all know. Aside from last night, which I actually got like really good sleep. And just for the record, I'm just talking because there's not really much going on. But just for the record, aside from last night, which I got like really good sleep, I only got like, I would say like the past 2-3 days before that, I was only getting like less than 5 hours every night. Most were like 4.5. The night before, I got like 3.5 hours of sleep. I was very sleep deprived, but I don't know why. For some reason, my wife and her friends, it was bro, we played Monopoly like twice this weekend, and that's part of why I was up late. I won last night. Hey, just for the record. But yeah, first night I was not getting, the cards were not with me. I got the strategy, but like if I'm not getting the rolls, it's hey, it was not in my favor. Uber Eats a lifesaver. I work from home and don't cook. You should get on membership. It gives you discounts and delivery on some foods. So for me with Uber Eats, I actually go pick it up when I get Uber Eats. Um, really, like the whole Uber Eats situation was just when I got the Uber Eats, it was perks to like the Amex Platinum and the Amex Gold card. So I actually don't have either of those cards anymore, but Amex Platinum gave $20 a month, and Amex Gold gives like 10. Or no, Amex Platinum might have been like 15 and Gold was 10. And then my wife had them too. And for some reason they still give my wife her, like she doesn't have the card anymore. She like downgraded hers, but we still get the credit for it. Which hey, I'm not tripping about. We downgraded the card, but they're still giving us those whatever. Um, let's see. Um, oh, what's up, M Sense? Matthew and Room, what pump it? We took a trade on the SPY earlier. We took a little short on it. Got about 45%, but chilling now. Yeah, Uber does upcharge like they upcharge the order, but the reason I even get the Uber Eats to pick up is because it's money that's not going to be used either way. It's like I used to get about $40 a month on Uber for free, like the Uber Eats free. But now I think it's about $25 a month I get, and it's like if I get delivery, I can't really get much food, but sometimes it's like if I go pick something up, we can get like 2 meals with that 25. Maybe I'll have to pay like $2. So the upcharge doesn't really affect me. It's like I understand like say I was getting a burger from a restaurant, they're going to charge like two extra dollars for the burger in the app than it would if I like actually got it. But it's like since the money from Uber Eats is free money, it's still best for me to go pick it up. Otherwise, I do use the app. I don't use Uber Eats like that. I usually yeah, I usually like maximize and get the rewards and stuff. I'm in a bull call, red near my stop loss now. Uh, so in sense, my thoughts would be like, yo, maybe like it's like I see you like to go for the stuff that's like really really moving, but it's like a lot of like moving on the day, but a lot of the stuff that's moving on the day and stuff, usually they're going to pull it back first. So it's like my thoughts would be like, yo, take note of what's moving and then like say, all right, it had this pullback. Let me buy it when it pulls back to this level. Cause I feel like it sounds like you keep getting trapped in what the market makers are trying to do. It's like they will pump something, and then once people get in, they like pull it back. So depending on how much time you got on the Weeble, that's like that could go up, but also like Weeble can pull back some more as well. Like just kind of looking at it, looks like there's support like a little under 15 on Weeble. So we'll kind of see about that. But Riot, let's see. Depending on how much time you got on that Riot can, I don't know. Riot's a little annoying because it moves with Bitcoin. So Riot, their support around 14. What do you think about a TSLL call high today? Uh, do you think Elon asked or announcing a third party would be good for Tesla? I think that's bad. I think if Elon goes through with this third party thing and announces that, I think that would drop the stock personally. And Newsmax, I don't really know anything about this. So Newsmax just looks like it keeps going down. So that's just one I'd be more inclined to stay away from. This one doesn't really have enough data or history. It's like it has support at like 12.21, but beyond that, I don't really know. If we can't get back above 631.25, we are going down, baby. Supply is crazy holding up there. Let's see. Yeah, we got some sellers up here. There are some sellers. Now hold above 631. So yep, I think you're right. Yeah, TSLO. I doubt that. Nmax. I have no idea though. Yeah, truly have no idea about Nmax. It's in a downtrend, but I do feel like it'll eventually kind of base out. IWM below support. We might be going for the here. Let's see. Yeah, we kind of have a triple top of sorts. If we break this, if we break this level over here, like this, I guess, like if we break 630.50, we might be coming down. Yeah, we might try to come back where we came from. It's like that might be something I can get a swing on. I'm not going to, but that would be a kind of move that I could get a swing coming into tomorrow. Or actually, I would think so, but then we got earnings and stuff. And, next thing you know, they say something amazing and then we just pop up overnight. So I don't have the day trade, so I'm not taking it anymore. All right, let's see. Lucky J, you peacing out? Or oh no, you're just saying what's up. Yeah, we hit the goal. Yeah, we kind of went crazy. Went crazy. Get your zero DTEs. They finna make them burn. Consolidated, right? Hey. Yeah, they might, hey, watch them try to, like, rip it off here pretty soon. Let's see. The volume's just been consistently just going down. Yeah, very consistently. Down it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Except for us. We know the next levels. When I saw that gravestone, I said, oh no, rebound to keep the ports looking good. Yeah, I don't know what we're trying to do. It's like the Q's looks like almost like it wants to push up, but the SPY is like, yo, we chilling, man. I might have to go down. And just kind of waving like a little flag. And then Google say, yo, I got some earnings coming up. Yeah, I'm probably gonna blast higher. Holding below that supply at 631.25. Yeah, we coming down. coming on down. Next stop is 631. If we can't get about yeah, if we break that, well, actually, I guess the supports got a little more at 630.50 or so. $48 is there too. Let's see. I see 38 too. Oh yeah. I see what you mean. Yeah, we're chilling. Yeah. All right, let's see. Let's go to 15. Yeah, this really looks like it's getting ready to just fall. I'm not gonna be here for it, but yeah. I might end up wishing I held the calls I had. All right, let's see. We got Jamie at number 2, Trent at number 3, and number 1 goes to. All right. That's how we're going to. Okay, hey. I see what you did. Trying to sneak likes away. Okay. Hey, it is what it is. We're still free right now. It's all good. But I see you. Said I'm taking my like back. Okay. See how it is, family. Hey, I like to play games too. Let's see. Okay. It's interesting. Right when I said something about somebody removing a like, I was like, yo, or somebody messaged me with the thumbs up. Is it you? Was it you? I don't know. We're chilling though. Yeah, the Q's is coming up here to, like, it's trying to knock on the door again. SPY is back at 131.31. Oh, it's trying. And then Google is just looking amazing, like it's been. Here, let's. Or actually, it looks. Yeah, it kind of looks similar to the SPY too. Hold on, what's popping on my phone? Oh, okay. Adam B. Hey, what up? Hey, we're preparing. We got a couple minutes left on this stream. We're just here chilling now. But hey, what's up, Adam? Hey, happy to have you through. What's up, man? What you got going today? Ooh. Got some tension up here. Okay, we got the likes back. Just making money on SPY calls. That's crazy. I made money on puts today. That truly goes to show you, family. You can make the money both ways. Ooh. Oh, I have hydration in here. Been wanting some hydration. That was good. It's all gone now though. You said that's how it is. Yeah, that is definitely how it is. I'm not honestly. I'm not even sure. I probably wouldn't have got in like had I been in. Where did my mouse go? Oh, there we go. Yeah, had I got in like when market opened on what this candle, I'm not even sure I would have been able. It did break out, so that was a breakout candle. But I'm not even sure I would have got in on that. Yeah, I think you are correct. When I re-up my capital, I'm only buying further out. Maybe even third Friday or nothing. I look at all the plays I'm out there, mostly up a lot more though. Yeah, hey, time is really just giving yourself more time to be right. Do y'all play video games? I've been thinking of buying a PS5 or an Xbox, but I can't decide. It would be nice to play online. Oh, I'm gonna say like I definitely don't have time for online. I do have like a Switch, like the newer Switch, because I've been reviewing a lot of stuff for it. But no, yeah, I personally don't have time for like the online. But it's like I think growing up, my bros always had the the PlayStations and whatnot. But on the cool, I don't know if y'all ever played. I was like, I played a couple board games online. I played like this version of Monopoly. Like when I was in Portugal, I went ham playing that online. And then also like there's the Rich Dad Poor Dad Cash Flow. I be playing that too. All right, that and if it's short term, I gotta buy multiple contacts track because I get up but don't accept small profits. If I buy multiple, pretend it's one contract. I think I'll potentially. All right, but with that being said, family, hey, that's gonna do it for today. I hope each and every one of y'all has an amazing day. I would like to say, hey, thank y'all for freeing us from El Salvador. We didn't have everyone on at once, but hey, we got what we need. You know, people come in when they need and whatnot. I hope to see you again tomorrow, if could be. And yeah, with that being said, oh wait, hold up. I see some comments. That's funny. I used to play that online too. Yeah, I still play it like from time. It's like not like a regular thing, but every now and then I'll play that. And then you said cash flow online sounds cool. What's the link? I don't even know. It's like on the Rich Dad website, like Rich Dad Poor Dad. Oh, that's oh, I would just search cash flow. We might talk about it tomorrow, but yeah, that's it's a cool game. It's like at first it's like yo, what's going on, but then you understand it. It's like you invest in stocks, you invest in real estate, and it's like yo, showing you how to make the cash flow. That's what I try to do with my life. So it's definitely taught me things about life. So I'm still in the middle of the game in real life, but yo. With that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Trent. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out, Adam. Peace out, Jamie. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Big Reg. Big Reg. It sounded like I said red. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Sean. Peace out, Ann. Peace out, D Community. Peace out, Kilo Hotel. Yeah. I hope. Yeah, y'all have a blessed day. Matthew Manuel signing off. Peace out, Henry. And I want to change your life. Y'all stay up, family. Peace out. Did I say bye, Randy? Peace out, Randy. See y'all.